Hey guys, welcome to So Clara channel. Today I'm gonna make a very simple zipper pouch where you can put your cosmetics or your toiletries, and you can also put your pens and pencils. This is very simple and so easy to make. So yeah, let's get started. So here are the materials for making the pouch, and you also need a fusible interfacing for this one. First, I iron the fusible interfacing to the wrong side of the main fabric. And then for the contrasting fabric, I fold in 1/4 of an inch. Next is fold the contrasting fabric in half and cut a little bit of it to mark it as the center point. And do the same with the outer fabric or the main fabric, cut a little bit to mark it as the center point. Then match each points and pin it together to secure. And before I sew the sides of the pouch, I open the zipper at least halfway. I am using a 3/8 inch here for my seam allowance, and I sew all the way around, leaving 3 inches hole in the lining for turning. And I measured around 1.5 inches for the main fabric and the lining, and I pin it to secure and then sew it. Next is turn the pouch right side out, pushing out the corners and zipper ends, and then press it. And to add a little bit of accent of my pouch, I added and tied a string on the zipper. So that's it, the pouch is finished, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.